Hello, hi all my gemstones. This is facial or face mask Friday. Today I'm going to be using this high beauty, high maintenance cannabis peeling mask. I won this from IPSY Live. High Beauty was having a giveaway, and so you post something to Instagram and tag them, and I was like one of 3 or 5 winners. So I got like a whole line of skincare products, which is awesome, and I have yet to use it because I had been using other skincare. I'm out of that skincare. Now I can finally use this face mask, so I'm excited to try this. This mask right here is made with cannabis sativa seed oil, and it purifies, resurfaces, and smooths your skin. All their products are made without THC and CBD, so they do want you to know that. Their products contain things like cannabis sativa seed oil, red grape, cranberry, pomegranate, black cumin, broccoli. Okay, let's go ahead and start using this. So here's the bottle. It's nice, it feels heavy, sturdy, and there it is. It looks like jelly, so I love that. It smells clean to me, so it doesn't smell like weed or anything like that. I like that. This helps calm inflammation. It balances all skin types with adaptogens. It protects with potent antioxidants and hydrates and replenishes. I can use this each week, and all I need to do is apply a generous amount to my damp skin and then gently massage with a circular motion for several minutes to remove impurities and dull skin. Then rinse thoroughly. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put on this right here so I don't get my hair wet. I'm going to put water on my face to make it damp, and then just going to scoop some of this out. That seems like a good amount. This pretty much just feels like I'm putting jelly all over my skin and massaging it. Reminds me of a facial cleanser. During these few minutes, you can just relax, close your eyes, and try to clear your mind. Give yourself that few minutes of me time. Once a few minutes pass, just rinse it off. Now when rubbing, I noticed that I'm getting like these white little things. I don't know if that's dead skin or if that was already in the mask, but it could be my skin. It's like taking off the dead layer. Now I can go ahead and pat my face dry. I think that was my skin that was peeling off, so I would say that this is a pretty gentle exfoliator if you're looking for something like that. It's not too harsh, but it does help your skin shed the dead layer. And now that the face mask is done, I can use a toner on my face and then serums and moisturizer. For my toner, I'll use IPSY Beauty's Glow Tonic on a cotton round. And for my serum, I'll be using High Beauty's High Expectations Cannabis Facial Oil. I've been using this for the past couple weeks only on one side of my face. And then for my moisturizer, I'll be using High Beauty's Cannabis Facial Moisturizer. Ooh, it looks thick and creamy. There it is, guys. There's High Beauty's cannabis peeling mask, and I like the results so far. I have oily, acne-prone skin, so it's so crucial for me to get off the dead skin from my face. Otherwise, it's going to clog my pores. I felt like this was really great for my skin. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you want to try it. Give this video a like. Be sure to give me a follow and share with your friends. You just watched Face Mask Fridays with Crystal Gonzalez. Thank you guys for watching. You guys truly are gems. I will see you guys next Friday.